Hi, I'm Balaji Ramanujam. I'm a co-founder of Tinker Village. We are a K-8 edtech startup that is working to rewire the foundation of education to prepare children more for a AI-driven age. We are transforming learning from rote to experiential. I'm also a faculty at the BITS School of Management. I teach a course called E-commerce Strategies in India. And as part of the course, we structure it completely around a live business case. As part of the project, students needed to come up with a go-to-market plan for launching Tinker Village's curriculum integrated hands-on science and math programs in December. They also were like an extended marketing team for Tinker Village in the sense that they were given full freedom to go out, represent Tinker Village and get real live in-market validations.
This course didn't feel like a regular class. We were not just solving cases. We were building something that will actually go live.
So we did primary research with parents to understand their pain points, and we built content formats that will help these kids learn independently.
Built wireframes of website and made specific nudges that could bring them more conversion.
We worked on influencer marketing. We made an execution plan, reached out to some influencers and even onboarded some of them with Tinker Village team.
We got an actual budget to run these meta ads. And that's how we refined how Tinker Village positions itself to the parents.
This project gave us the opportunity to become the part of the product because we got to build the self-learning modules.
Our work is being evaluated by a founder and his team. This makes the experience very real.
When he told us he might actually use some of our work in his startup, it made me feel like we are part of something bigger.
I had the Tinker Village team join in to the group presentations, and on their behalf, I can say that we were all wowed by the quality of recommendations and the actionability of what we got. Every expert practitioner that I got into the course had the same thing to say about the batch. Very sharp, very engaged, asks deep questions, wants to get their hands dirty, right? I would say with conviction that doing this project has saved our team almost 2 months of kind of market testing time. I want to recognize BITSoM for having understood the importance of such a course and supporting me and the expert practitioners to give the students what I hope is an amazing experience. The more students get such real-world learning, the more employable they become for folks like us in the industry.